Hello everyone, welcome back to Small Fabulous Home channel and welcome back to the bathroom series. I learned the hard way. After some items were no longer usable, had to throw them away, I started doing my research, reading more and more on this. So I will start with what you should have in your bathroom, what is actually okay to store in this room of your home. Had to start with the obvious. Of course, all the shower products, from the shower gel to shampoo and conditioner, these are all obvious okay to be stored here. Also the laundry cleaning products, as long as they are away from humidity. Next we have the hair accessories. I would tend to say not to keep them on an actual surface, better in a cabinet or a drawer. The reason is because of the humidity in the room, especially if you are someone that likes steamy showers. Next, well, everything dental, especially dental floss and everything else that you might have. Also Q-tips and cotton pads, but keep them under the lid as they act as a sponge with humidity in the air. You can find these containers like mine probably in any home products store. Next we have the bath mats. There are many types. There are the ones made of silicone, others made of absorbing material similar to the towel. Remember to hang them once you are done with it, so it would dry properly and not catch any mold. You would also need the unclogging tool here and the toilet brush. These are things that you don't really want to talk about because they are like ew, but there are things that have a very low cost but have a very high need. The sink hair catcher. I still go in people's houses and ask myself, why don't they have one? Your home's pipes will love you for this. They can be so efficient to avoid those clogged pipes. Next, the toilet paper, and probably the most sold item during lockdown. It comes on a variety of colors. We use the recycled version because we care about our environment. Found so many great ideas for decor with toilet paper rolls. I made a full panel on my Pinterest profile, so take a look, get inspired. I'll leave the link below in the description box. If you have a tiny fabulous bathroom, would advise not to keep the toilet paper in the bathroom except for the one you actually need. For the extra ones, keep them out as small spaces don't have great ventilation and the paper will get wet. We keep them in this cute thing so it wouldn't catch on the humidity in the air. Another item that you should and it's okay to have are obviously the feminine hygiene stuff. We also have the cat's litter box here because my brain cannot understand why this should be anywhere else in the house, especially if you live like us in an apartment, either bathroom or probably, I don't know, the balcony. Something else you should also have, I'm still looking for one, is this washing machine protection. Mostly for those like me where you have the washer so close to the bathtub, it always gets wet. Now let's get into the you shouldn't have in the bathroom, as I would like to add that there are good things that come from these shouldn't. Let's start. So let's start with the towels. Yes, you should have a towel, of course, even more than one, as you should usually have two for each person, one for the hands and one for the face at all times in the bathroom. But if you are renting, or even if you're like me in a small apartment without a good ventilation, I don't have a window, the bathroom could be quite small, and with bad ventilation, I learned this the hard way, as now I am shopping for new towels. I used to store them like this and they actually looked cute and I don't know, something similar to what they're doing in a hotel, and it's easy to use them and find them, but they will never get fully dried and now they developed a funny smell that even if I try to wash them, the smell doesn't really go away. So store your towels outside the bathroom. This is also applicable for any other textile. And now you'll say, but I have my laundry basket in the bathroom. Yes, and this is why you should wash your laundry at least once a week or even more often, depending on your volume of clothes that need to be washed. And also, this is why all laundry baskets should have a lid. First of all, having a lid means the smell won't come out of the basket, and neither will the moisture from the air will go in the basket. We tend to store some makeup items in the bathroom. This can easily be damaged. Also, your razors should be kept away from at least like the surfaces of the bathroom. Next is jewelry, mostly the ones that are not silver or gold or any other material that doesn't get rotten from humidity. Please keep them away from your bathroom. Any kind of medicine you should not be storing in the bathroom. Again, in contact with humidity, it might get rotten or have any other chemical weird reaction. And I kept the best for last, bathroom decor. I seen this, well, don't think I ever seen this besides the ideas on YouTube, Pinterest and Instagram, but it is so fun to decorate and bring some of your personality in the bathroom. It's inexpensive and will bring a smile on your face. Have a theme if this will make you happy. This is your bathroom, turn it into a room that brings you joy. We do spend quite a lot of time in here. As you can see, it's quite hard for me to have any decor item above the washing machine, but I did put together a DIY-like mini project, just something that I would like to have in my bathroom. Hopefully this will be also inspiring for you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. This was my advice on what you should and shouldn't store in your bathroom. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We would really love your support on this channel. We found the courage to start renovating some stuff in our home. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I have way more stuff to share with you guys. So keep in touch. See you on Instagram and Pinterest. Until next time, have a great day.